Be kind, but let it be true. Not just a balm for the pain they're going through. For sometimes the hurt is the seed that must grow, and easing it now may just stop what they'll know. Be kind, but not at the expense of caring. True love sees beyond what's only repairing. If kindness feeds their ego, holds them back, you've dimmed the light on the path they lack. Be kind, but with wisdom in your heart. Don't let your softness pull their growth apart. If comfort becomes the anchor where they rest, they'll miss the journey to be their best. Be kind, but not at the expense of caring. True love sees beyond what's only repairing. If kindness lets them settle, hides their fright, you veiled the way to their greatest height. Always soft. Sometimes it's a gentle shove aloft to carries to see what they could become, not just to shield them from storms to come. So be kind, but with love that's aware, not at the cost of leaving them there. True kindness uplifts, it helps them grow. A light in the dark, a seed to sow.